Hi, this is Chris from Total Pass Plus, and today we have a 2017 Ford Ranger XL Freestyle cab, stock reference number 4859. This shape runs from the 6-month 2015 through to the current shape. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, TJM bull bar with all bolts, brackets and brush bars. Left-hand headlight, left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. This vehicle's got Pedders Suspensions throughout, leaf springs, struts and rear shocks, all GVM plus rated. Towbar TAG brand, all bolts, brackets, module. Right rear 16-inch steel rim, good tyre, and a right front 16-inch steel rim with an average tyre. There's the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-switch type. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a grey vinyl centre console lid, manual type console, 4-wheel drive type with the switch, 6-speed manual gear shifter, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Pass Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.